Hey guys, welcome back to Xamarin guys. So in this tutorial we are going to create right to left master detail cell page inside our Xamarin Forms app. So here you can see this is a simple master detail page where I have added page 1 and page 2 as my navigation page. So at first we are going to set our main page to a home page. So home page will be basically our content page. So before that, you should set your Xamarin Form version to 4.6 and above. So I have added Xamarin Form version 4.6 in my Xamarin Forms app. So homepage is basically a content page. I have modified that content page to cell. So this is how we're gonna add content page to our Xamarin Forms app. So we have to change that content page to cell. You can see over here, and same content page should get inherited from cell to convert content page to a cell page. Here you can see we have property as flow direction from right to left. So this is how we're going to implement right to left master detail cell page. Here we have three property as of now inside our cell. I think in future Xamarin Forms team will add lots of properties over there too. We don't need that line of code, we'll discuss about it later. So here inside the body part we have header as well as the body section inside cell. So this is the header part where we have one background image and one label inside the grid. So the image is inside the resources folder of Android project. This is the image that I have added inside the resources folder of Android and resources folder of iOS too. Now this is the body part of the cell page where I have page 1 and page 2. You can see over here the title page 1 and page 2. So here we have cell content as page 1 and page 2. That is, we are going to navigate two pages whenever the tab items are selected. So these are basically content page like page 1 and page 2. When the cell item is tapped, then we will go to this page 1 and page 2. So I have added one label inside stack layout in order to differentiate between page 1 and page 2. Now let's go to home page, that is our master detail cell page. Here page 1 and page 2 does not know about its exact location. With the help of this page views, we are going to tell that the page 1 and page 2 are located inside my application name.views folder. That's all. Now we are ready to integrate Xamarin Forms cell master detail page, which gets navigated to page 1 and page 2 whenever the tab items are clicked. That's all for this tutorial now. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and in next tutorials we'll be talking more about cell navigation and routing. Till then, stay safe, take care, have a great day. Thanks.